Hi, my name is Wladimir with Wlaminca Fitness, and welcome to the stretching session. You're going to start by placing your palms right under the shoulders. So right here, palms right under the shoulders, and knees right under the hips. So we're going to go from here, cat and cow. So you're going to round your back, round, put your chin to the chest, and then do the opposite arch, put your chin to the sky. Breathe out when you push your upper back up, and then arch. And take a deep breath, putting your chin to the sky. We're going to do a couple more. Round, and arch. Round, and arch. Now from here, we're going to get our left foot outside of the left palm, just like this. And we're going to start rocking back and forth. So you're going to start leaning forward, and then back, so your butt touches your heel. Or at least try to. You're going to rock forward and back. Each time you're going to rock a little bit more forward. Each time you're going to rock a little bit more back. Make sure that your toes and heels stay on the ground. Go as back far as you can and go forward. Now from here, we're going to get our left hand up and rotate. We want to be looking into the tip of our fingers, and you want to reach with your arms. Separate. Reach, hold it, take a deep breath. Now from here, come back down, you bring your chest up. Now from here, you're going to be squeezing your right glute. So your right glute, you're going to squeeze it, push this hip forward, squeezing that right glute, and then you're going to start leaning forward, pushing this hip forward, and the knee. You're going to hold this stretch, take a deep breath. Now from here, you're going to open up. So now we're going to open up our leg right here. You're going to do the same thing over here. Squeeze the right glute, push this hip forward, and then we're going to push to the outside right here. Just getting a good stretch on your groin, your hip. We're going to hold this. Keep pushing this hip forward. Take a deep breath. Now we're going to come back to center. Straight leg. Tip of the fingers are going to go down. If you can't put both hands down, try the inside hand first, or if not, try to bend this knee a little bit and put the fingers down. But if you can, keep the leg straight, tip of the fingers down. Take a deep breath. Good. Now we're going to switch sides. We're going to go right foot outside of the right palm, right here, and we're going to start rocking. We're going to rock forward, rock back, forward, rock back, forward, rock back. From here, we get our right hand up and rotate. Reach for the roof. Keep your eyes on your hands. Hold it, take a deep breath. Good. We come down, bring your chest up. Now we're going to squeeze our left glute, pushing this hip forward. From here, we go a little more forward and we push this knee forward, keeping our glute squeezed, getting that good hip flexor stretch. Hold it, take a deep breath. From here, we're going to open up. So now we open up to the outside. We're going to push forward, and then we go out. Out. Hold it, take a deep breath, make sure you're squeezing your glute. We come back to the inside, back to center, straight leg, tip of the fingers down. Again, if you can't put two hands down, just put one, or bend the knee. But if you can, keep the knees straight. Good. Now from here, we're going to go into our backs. So So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna lift the left leg and you're gonna hug your hamstring into your chest. So you're gonna bring the knee into the chest just like this, and then you're gonna try to straighten it up the leg. So you're gonna go and try to straighten it up. It's gonna be almost impossible depending on your flexibility, but just give it a try. You should be getting a good stretch right here on your hamstrings. Now from here, you're gonna go back to the bend, cross it over, and keep the left shoulder down on the floor. With this hand, you're pushing the knee down to the ground. Hold it, take a deep breath, and then let go. We're gonna go to the other side. Leg up, hug the knee to your chest, and then you're going to try to straighten up the knee. Take a deep breath. Now from here, you're gonna cross it over, bend the knee, cross it over, use your left hand to push the knee down towards the floor, keep your right shoulder on the ground.